crime is falling in love with whom his heart longs for. He's poor but with a pure heart, but the world weighs love with gold. Who will judge love and be fair? Who will silence that heart that burns? Love knows no throne, no riches, no name. It only hears the voice that calls it home.
No! What is it? Why are you shouting?
Yeah. So this was a dream.
What kind of dream could make you shout like that? I thought something bad has happened to you. Thank the gods that it is only a dream.
Father Flash, stop now! What is all this? What is all this? Akara, I don't know what you really want in your life. You are no more a child. But your ways of life do not show that you are the son of Dike, the biggest yam farmer in Eku. Eh?
Father, what have I done to earn all this trouble?
Are you asking me that question? So you don't know what you have done again?
Is it because I discarded another maiden? Is that why you should be hard on me, Father?
Tell me why I should not even be harder on you. Tell me. Mother, welcome.
My son, I was waiting for you at the farm to come and help carry some yam back home. And here you are.
Yeah. He was here trying to make me angry.
Mother, you know I have told you that I am doing all I can to make sure that I save enough calorie to marry Goma this farming season.
Yes, I know. And I have always asked our ancestors to grant you your heart desires.
You say, thank you, Mother. And that is why I do not stay around some of my friends, especially the unserious and unfocused ones. I have to be able to catch enough games in order to save enough money to marry Goma, my love.
That is good. It is well with you. And it shall be well with you. But I wish your father is alive today to see how his son has grown into a serious man. How I wish.
You're right, Mother. It is well.
It is well.
Mother, I have to go in and prepare for my hunting before the animals retire for the day.
Okay, that's it. May the gods continue to protect you from the wild animals as you hunt.
Thank you, Mother.
Go well, my son.
I'll see you when I return.
How?
I do not know why a man like this should be this stubborn.
Stubbornness? What have you done again?
Mother, I didn't do anything.
Eh?
I did not do anything.
Did you say you did not do anything?
Yes, I didn't do anything.
He blatantly refused to do anything in the house and also refused to come to the farm to help you.
Mother, I've told you before to talk to your husband so that you people can get a slave that can be doing all these things for us. I can't be suffering. I'm the son of the great farmer in this kingdom. Why will I be suffering? I was born to enjoy my life. What is all this?
You are not born to suffer.
Yes.
But you eat like an elephant without walking. My son, let me tell you, a man is known for his ability to prosper in ways that are hard.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him. Let me tell you, the child that covers himself with the cloth of laziness will understand when the hand of hunger uncovers that cloth of laziness for him.
Akara, you are no more a child to be talked to like this every time.
Mama, you are the only person that understands me in this house.
Understand what? What do you think I understand? I have told you, any ear that refuses to listen a good advice, when they chop off the head, the ear goes with the head. And flies that do not listen to good advice follows corpse to the grave. I don't know if you understand what I'm telling you.
Mother, I don't understand all this parable of yours.
You will not understand it though, until it will be too late for you to understand. When nobody will be there to advise you. Carry this thing inside. I don't know why a grown-up man like you will be messing up his life. Carry this thing inside, please.
You're back. Asonna, this year has yielded you plenty good yield. Good fruits. I thank the gods and our forefathers for making me happy by giving me a very bountiful harvest.
Oh. It is this palm wine that gives me joy. Kenko is the greatest tapper in the entire Ekuru land.
Onarugar, wait. But that is the whole truth.
He has no rival. He has no rival.
But palm wine.
My husband, I present to you the fruit of my husband's labor.
Wow. Hey, good woman. Our forefathers will keep you for us.
He say,
Wife of Obaka, our kinsman, we thank you very much.
my husband, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Go and tell Ugoma to bring us drinking and hand washing water. Oh?
Nai, Ugoma went out to see her friend Ozako. But I'll get the water myself.
Okay, so.
Hey, Ubaka, that your daughter has grown into a very beautiful maiden. And very soon you will be expecting suitors for.
You will make sure you're not eyeing
her. No, I'm just.
Okay, I pray to the gods to give her a very good husband.
Oh. You see?
Hey.
Sinegondo, I greet you.
Ugoma, my daughter. You keep bringing water for me. Ugoma.
Nne, you know you're the mother of my future husband. All I have to do is to take care of you.
But you are not yet married by my son. You are doing this. What then will happen when you finally entered my house as my daughter-in-law? Only the gods know what you will do. Ah!
Nne, I love your son and I love you. I'm just doing all this out of love.
Ezigbo. Hey! Thank you so much. Huh? May the gods bless you. Yeah, drop the water at the back of the hut. Then come join me. Hey! Ezigbo nwa. Oyo nwa. Hey, Goma.
Hey! Ladies of the group. When did you lose your manners of not greeting somebody you meet on your way?
Wait. Who is the person we refuse to greet? Who?
Are you blind to notice that I'm here?
Who?
Myself. The only son. And heir apparent to the huge inheritance of the biggest yam farmer in this kingdom.
That is all you know. Making noise. That's all you know. Like they say, the empty calabash makes the most noise. Laugh with me.
Is that supposed to be an insult or what?
Biakara, what do you think you are in this kingdom? Who do you think you are? The son of the king or what?
And who are you to talk to me like that? And what is your what? Are you what 1 tuber of yam harvested from my father's farm?
That is all you are good at. Making noise all over the place. Like what did they call it? Like a dry one. Dry season grasshopper.
Are you people really talking to me like that?
And who are you that will not talk to you?
Wait for me, I'm coming.
We are waiting for you.
Oh,
What can you do?
Goma, you have refused to get anything. You have refused to take something. Why?
Nne, must you give me something when I come to see you?
Yes, because you are always doing something for me. So what else will I give to you?
Nothing.
Greetings, mother.
My son, you are welcome.
Thank you, mother.
Ikem,
My love, how are you?
I'm well. You didn't catch any games today?
No, I did, but I did, of course. Some men bought it for me on my way. I caught a very big antelope and 2 grass cutters.
That's a good one for today.
Yes, mother.
Ugoma here brought a pot of water for us, and she keeps doing this.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you for always coming to help my mother. May the gods bless you.
Ise.
Please wait for me. Let me go into my house and come out.
And what are you going to do?
Just wait for me.
I was going to teach them the lessons of their life before they ran away. Useless people.
Biawokem, these things don't make a man. Eh? Why will you even brag about trying to beat up ordinary women? If you want to show manliness, go to wrestling arena. Or better say, go for grantling competition. Amani Bunwoke.
Exactly. And not running after weak women for a show of power.
But they were the ones that insulted me first.
What did you even do to them before they insulted you? Because I know that the drums can never talk unless they are touched by hand.
Exactly, my brother. Cocoyam stems do not make noise unless hands touch them. What led them to insult you?
They crossed my way without greeting me. That was a very big insult.
You are the one that gathered the ant-infested firewood that's now invited the lizard for a feast, and you are complaining. Stop complaining.
I am not surprised. I knew you were going to blame me for this.
Anyway, let's go to my house. There's roasted yam in my house. Let's go and eat.
Now you're talking. Huh? At least that one is more important.
Very, very important.
Now you're talking. Huh? Who does not like cooking, my brother?
My love. Here. My love. Take this parcel of bushmeat. Give it to your mother to prepare her soup for you when you get home.
Ha. He came. When will you stop giving me bushmeat?
Never will I stop feeding you from the labor of my hands. Now, eat it as my friend. Very soon, you'll be eating it as my bride. And it will never stop.
He said, may the gods hear the voices of your hearts and grant them to you.
He said, thank you, mother.
Ikenna, go in and take your bath, then come and take her home.
All right.
Mother! Mother, where's the roasted yam? Is it going to take you ages? Please bring this in, I'm very hungry. Yeah? Akara. Father, let me remind and warn you that that woman that you're calling like that is my wife and not your maid to order around. And that is why I ask you to get maids and slaves that will be doing the job for her. Father, if you have maids and slaves in this house, I will not be disturbing my mother to do all these things for me.
Shut up your mouth and be ashamed of yourself.
How?
Yes. Your mates are outside there seeking for maids to become their wives. And you are here, shouting at another man's wife to come and roast yams for you. My friends, better talk to your friend to become responsible.
Mazidike. Maz, everything has its time. And I'm very sure that when it's time for Akarahia, my friend, to become responsible, he will become responsible.
Bam! Okay, to go come.
Oh, Lord. I thought I was talking. Oh, I was even talking to the wrong people. All of you are the same. Akara, listen to me. If you want to eat roasted yams, go into the kitchen, make fire, and roast yams for yourself and your friends.
Akara, so there was no yams, and we are here swallowing hard for something that doesn't exist. I go on here now, do one madonna. And let's go before we receive more insults.
Akara,
one.
The gods of our fathers have been merciful to me. I am saving enough cowries to pay for the bride price of my maiden. My only maiden.
The gods have really been merciful. The animals are multiplying as if hunters are not breathing down on them. I believe that before the end of the year, all of us would have made enough cowries to bring in our maidens into our homes.
Yes, yes. Well, as for me, I cannot wait to make Ugum my morning sun, my sunshine, to make her my bride. I cannot wait.
Ikenna, you are so fortunate with that maiden.
Why did you say so?
She's so well behaved and doesn't show off as the daughter of one of the biggest yam farmers in this part.
The gods of Allah know that I am not a troublemaker, and I love my peace of mind so much.
That's true.
Well, my fear is her father. I hope he will not be a stumbling block.
No, come on, Eze, why would you say that? Of course, her parents know that I and Ugoma, we are friends. I mean, we have been friends, and not just friends. We are lovers. We love ourselves so much.
Yes, that's what it is for now. But when you go further, to ask for hand in marriage, you may hear a different thing.
May the gods of our land forbid that any man or woman will stand against me marrying Ugoma. No, I will go through any obstacle. Yeah. Any obstacle that will wage my marriage to Ugoma. It's not possible.
Eze, our friend is in love, seriously.
Yes.
The medics of Ekulu are here.
Greetings, great men of Ikuru.
You're welcome.
Ugom.
Okay.
Greetings, our great men.
Greetings.
Joys of our hearts. Greetings.
Beautiful maidens of Ikuru. This one you've come to see the men of Ikuru. Are you missing us?
Is it a crime for us to miss our men?
Huh? Well, it's not a crime. So, why are you here?
I'm actually here to see your mother.
Well, my mother is at the front of the hut. You can go and see her there. All right. We'll go. Together.
Greetings, Negondo.
Maidens of Ekuru, I welcome you.
Thank you.
But your men are outside there.
We saw them, but it is you we have come to see.
Oh, really? I hope there's no problem. I hope it is well.
It is well, Nne. We followed our friend here, Ugoma, to come and know if we can help you with the farm work. We can actually help you with the weeding of the farm.
Oh, this is so kind of you people. May the gods continue to bless you. May our forefathers continue to protect you. May the gods grant you all the desires of your hearts. I think I have only one farm that needs weeding. It's on the right hand side of the road as you are going out.
I know the farm. I will take them there, Nne. Just get us weeding tools.
You are still sitting here. You are not at the farm yet. Yeah?
But I don't have the strength to go to that farm today. I'm tired. Very tired.
You see, you don't have the strength to go to the farm today. You are tired. But you have eaten enough food this morning. Before, take this cutlass now and start going to the farm because my wife is there alone. And I don't want anything to happen to her.
Father, I say you people should go now. I will join you people later. Is there anything bad about that?
You are lying. You are lying. 2 of us are going to that farm. 2 of us are going to that farm now. Because some people will not work and others come and sit down and eat. So we are going to the farm. Pick up this cutlass and start going to the farm. That is cheating, yes.
My father. My father.
Come. Akara, my son, the way you are going, I am not sure you are able to take over from me the things I will leave behind when I die.
Father, why are you talking like this?
Yes.
Listen, die today and see how I will take care of all the things that you left behind. We got it up.
You are mad. I said you are mad. Why are you praying for me to die today? You see, pick up this cutlass now and start going to the farm before I get angry with you. It is the hands that touch the soil that bring oil to the mouth. Now, Onelem, take this cutlass now.
Why are you forcing me now? I don't want to go to farm today. I'm tired. Can't you understand?
Start going, start going. You can grumble as much as you can. because it is said that when when an animal itches, he goes to the tree. But when a man itches, he looks for another man to get scratched.
Ichiedike, we have heard all that you have said, and as elders, we are here to help you scratch the itching part of the body. Son, you've heard what your father said, and you've heard his worries also. Huh?
I heard him clearly.
And what do you say about it? You know that the chicken that travels on the head of a man does not know the distance to the market.
And it says that who that understands the proverbs has no need of reply. I heard what you people said, and I'll put my heart to it to see what I can do about it.
That is good. And we are waiting to hear your response from your father.
Yeah.
You know you are the only child of Chief Dike. And he is worried that the only palm fruit he has in the fire is about to be burnt. He wants to be sure that he is well represented before he joins his ancestors.
Elders of Ekuru, like I said before, I heard what you people said. And I'll put it to my heart to see what I can do about it.
Ichiedike. So far, we have succeeded in admonishing the straying fowl. And we have seen the result. If you have palm wine and roasted yam, what a kind quality back.
Go into the house and bring the palm wine. Also tell your mother to get the roasted yams ready for the elders to eat.
I assure you that he will change.
No, definitely.
I see.
He will change. He will change.
I thought I heard noise. Or is it the sound of a passing animal? I said I heard noises. Ugomma.
I made the noise. I brought some firewood and I didn't see anybody. So I decided to take it to the back of the hut.
Ugomma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for the love you've been showing my son and I. Our forefathers will never stop blessing you.
Ise. Nne, thank you for being another mother to me. I went to the farm to weed for my mother. Okay. So I decided to get you some firewood. Nne, I'll have to run along now. Let me go make lunch ready for my parents.
Oh, no. Run along before they start getting worried about you. My regards to your mother.
She will hear Nne.
Ugomma.
I'll be great.
May the gods bless you.
Ise.
May the gods be with you. Ugomma.
Bye. Ugomma.
The beautiful maidens of Ekuru, you are welcome.
Greetings, Nne.
Nanya, dear. May your day be sweet.
Same to you.
Nne, we have come to see Ugomma.
Ugom is not at home. I should not tell me where she has gone to.
Do not worry. We know where we can find her.
Yes. Please, if you see her, tell her to hurry home so we can make dinner for the family.
Akara, I greet you.
Maiden daughter of Obaka, I greet you too. The beautiful damsel of Ekuro. May the gods look favor on you.
Thank you, son of the king.
God, please, may I have just a minute of your time so that I can tell you what I have in mind for you?
I'm actually hurrying home and I don't think I have the time. It is for you to tell me what you want to tell me.
I thought you were a humble maiden. Why are you acting otherwise?
What have I done to offend you?
You've not said anything wrong. But if I don't hold you, you will say something that will make me angry. Yes.
Please do not be offended. So what is it you want to say to me? I'm listening. I'm all ears.
You see, I hate it whenever I'm talking to maidens. And they will be forming hard to get. Pisses me off. I don't like it.
I am sorry.
Good.
So what is it you want to tell me?
Good. You see? You are now turning into that beautiful and well-mannered maiden that you are.
Maidens of Ekuru.
Greetings.
You're welcome, my daughters.
We are here to check for our friend Ugomma. To know if she's here.
Yes. She was here briefly to see me, but left immediately. I believe she should be at home by now.
We must have missed her on our way here. Let's go back home and check on her then.
It is well. She should be at home now, helping her with the evening meals.
Thank you, Nne.
Go well, my daughters.
Thank you.
Akara, what you're asking of me is impossible. I already have someone I love in this clown, and I am sure you know him too.
Now listen, that is not what I'm talking about. You see, there's a difference between seeing food stuff in the market and buying it. Let me ask you something. What are you doing with that poor boy that cannot take care of you? I hope you are aware that we are the richest. My father is the greatest farmer in this kingdom. We have everything. We have food, we have money. Why can't you come, let me take care of you? Let me marry you. You need money.
Akara, I am more comfortable with that hunter. And I am very sure he's going to take care of me when we get married as husband and wife.
Oh my God. Why do people love poverty? Why can't you open your eyes so that you can see that that boy cannot take care of you? Ordinary hunter. Ordinary hunter. Why can't you come? Let me get married to you so that I can take care of you properly. Look at the way you're looking. Look at pimples all over your face.
Did I complain to you? Did I? I should be the one worried about it. So tell me, what's your concern? Why are you bothered? Why?
Anyway, why am I even bothering myself over something I know I can acquire with my father's wealth? By the way, my father will talk to your father so that they can settle it within themselves. Yeah. So, see you some other time.
Imagine this braggart.
What is he talking about?
Nemo, you will not believe that this Efule son of Dike came to me and was speaking frivolities. Imagine that's a flave for telling me that he wants to marry me, his father is wealthy, I want to suffer with my Ikem, that Ikem cannot take care of me, he's the one that can love me. I don't understand.
Really? Why is this boy so full of himself like this? Why? Please forget about that butterfly that calls himself a bird. We were at your place. Your mother said you stepped out. So, we went to the surest place, but we were disappointed because you were not also there.
Nem, I was rushing home. Before that, a flave stopped me on the road. You know what? Let's go to my house. Let's go to my house.
Alright.
Let's go.
Chedike, I have heard all you said about your son taking my daughter for a wife, and I am happy about it. You know the type of news it will create that two big farmers are coming to union as a result of marriage.
Hey, Obaka, do you know that when I was coming to meet you here, I was double-minded because of the type of man that you are?
What is that supposed to mean? I take exception to that nonsense. What type of man am I?
Obaka, you want to hear from my mouth how disciplined and how principled that you are, and how you have modeled all the members of your family in that way.
Dike, you never cease to amaze me. I never knew that's the direction you were taking. Because when you said it initially, I thought I had done something wrong. You know, we have been friends for a very long time. And we have worked very hard for ourselves and our families. The principled way of my life, that's in my lifestyle, has been the source of my survival. You see? I am happy that your son is proposing to take my daughter as a wife. I'm happy about it.
Yeah, it's you, Baka. Is this supposed to be a yes to my proposal to you?
As an old-time friend, I'll say yes. But everything is not complete until I hear from my daughter. That's the maiden who come to marry. You know?
That is great, and I'm happy about it. I'm happy about it.
It's okay. But has your son spoken to my daughter?
He spoke to me, and I decided to come and speak with you.
You know the custom. Okay. Did my daughter give a nod to his proposal?
My son did not make that aspect very clear to me. That was why I decided to come and speak with you, so that you can convince your daughter not to miss the fortune that she's going to gain by being the wife of my son, the biggest DG in Eku.
Well, I have heard you. My duty is to convince her, talk to her, and whatever she says, I'll get back to you.
And don't forget to remind her about the fortune that she's going to get by being my daughter-in-law. the biggest DG, the greatest DG.
Drink your wine and stop this overemphasis on biggest farmer, biggest this and that. Am I not a big farmer also?
Obaka, you may be a big farmer, but you're not the biggest DG in Eku. Dike is the biggest DG.
That's the direction you're going. You're right, but let us take on.
How did he think about it in the first place, mother? Who does he think he is, mother, to meddle into my affairs? Oh, mother, I will kill him. I will strangle him with my bare hands if he tries to trespass into my life again.
Ikenna, calm down. Calm down. The boy only made a pass at her. He hasn't married Ugoma yet. And your maiden answered him properly.
Mother, who doesn't know Ugoma and myself in this clan? Who doesn't know how Ugoma and myself are close with each other? Yet Akara went behind my back to try to make advances at my maiden mother.
Ikendaya, do not dissipate this kind of energy on this matter. No. No! What happens between you and Ugoma depends on her. And as I've known her for so long, it is only death that can tear both of you apart. Ugoma that I know can never leave you, except death. So don't waste this energy for nothing. Meanwhile, hurry up to the back of the hut. You forgot you were drying the meat. The meat will get burnt.
Mother, the meat. I'm coming, mother.
Ikenaya.
Daughter, it is said that you don't kill a man without first hearing from him. Dike, my friend, you know him very well. He was here with me asking for your hands in marriage to his son. Well, I had to be truthful to him. I told him, since I'm not the one being married, I will first get your consent because I won't decide for you whom to marry. It is now that I have the time to ask you, what is your opinion to that proposal, my daughter?
Father.
Yes.
Mother. The son of Ichedike met me on my way back from Negondo's hut.
That's very nice.
Father, he said so many things that I didn't understand. He said he wants to marry me. But Father, I clearly told him no. Father, I have someone my heart belongs to. I have someone in my life already.
Someone already in your mind? And who could that be?
Ikenna, the son of Ezike and widow Egondo.
What? No, let me get it right. Whom did you say that you've given out your heart to?
Father, Ikenna, the son of Ezike.
Hey! Hello. My wife, did you hear what your daughter has just said?
I heard her clearly, mine.
Huh? And what did you say to the near abomination she's about committing?
Near abomination?
Yes!
My husband.
How can you leave a place of feasting for a place of mourning? It is never done anywhere. Hi.
Oh, Father. Father, my heart has been with Ikenna. My heart belongs to him, Father.
Shut up! Do you realize what you're saying? How can your heart desire be to that of a person who is a commoner, above someone who is the son of one of the richest yam farmer in this kingdom? Who did this to you? Who did this to you? Woman, better talk to your daughter, because any misbehavior, I will take it. I won't take it lightly anymore. Oh, what the... What?
Mother, why would Father call my decision to marry Ikenna foolishness? Mother, why?
That's because the world did not understand the ways of the heart. Especially the heart of a woman that is in love. Stop crying. I'll talk to your father about it.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, Nne.
Ifakara, the son of Dike, needs a hand of a woman, a hand of a maiden for a wife. He should look elsewhere because your hand is taken. After all, there are many maidens out there. It's okay. Stop crying.
Thank you, Nne. It's okay. It's okay.
Hi! These abductors have escaped with those maidens again.
I am pained by this constant abduction of our maidens by these useless raiders from Keleku. If I catch them, I'll use them as mincemeat with my cutlass.
The way they attack and cut away their victims leaves me confused. This shows how important it is that Ekuru must have watchmen who would monitor the activities of strangers in our land. And if we don't do something to check the activities of these maiden raiders in our community, I'm sorry, we'll end up losing up all our maidens to them.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will I continue to watch these raiders come into our kingdom and take our maidens as slaves.
Ikenna, Mbam is right. We have to raise watchmen in Ekulu to watch at the activities of these raiders.
Listen, my mind tells me that if we move forward a little, we might be lucky to run into them.
Ikenna, which way do you suggest we go?
I suggest you two go this way.
This way. This way.
Let's go this way.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Akara, you can always count on us as your trusted friends. What is it that you want to discuss with us?
I know. And that is why I always relate with you people.
So, what is this you want to tell us about?
I have pressure. Especially from my father. That I should get married.
That's a good pressure. I mean, you are the only child of your parents. So they want you to settle down before they join their ancestors. It's not a bad idea.
But what is the pressure for? Can I even take care of myself if there are no more here?
They want to witness it before they go to their ancestors. So I really totally support them.
Well, I'll find a maiden I want to call my own.
Oh, wow. That's good. That maiden must be a very lucky one. So, which of the maidens in Ekulu made that list?
Daughter of Ahodia and Obaka.
What? Akara, what did you say?
And what is the meaning of that?
Akara, you and I know that maidens belongs to Ikenna.
No one has taken her in Ekuru.
Akara, I can see that you deliberately want to look for Ikenna's trouble by going to his territory to look for a game.
Serious trouble?
Are they married? They are not. As far as I'm concerned, I have the right to take any maiden in this clan.
Akara, I can see that you are clearly looking for Ikenna's trouble.
Well, let us not bother ourselves over this. I've handed everything over to my father. He will sort it out. So let's go. Let's go.
I will cut him to pieces with my hunting cutlass for doing this.
You will not do such a thing by bringing another man's blood upon yourself. No!
Ikem, please tame your anger. Stop thinking evil in your heart. I am yours, and nobody, not even my father, will take me away from you.
Ikem, did you hear that? As far as you are maiden, is strongly with you. Nobody can take her away from you. So calm yourself.
Mother, Akara knows how close I am to Goma in this clan. Why should he look towards our direction with such a proposal in the first place, Mother?
He came. But we all know that Akara is an efulefu. And he carries himself with so much ego. Don't let whatever he's doing bother you. I am yours forever. Nobody's going to take me away from you. Now I am craving for the tendons of a bushmeat.
My love.
Ikem.
You know how to calm me. Not only the tendons of a bushmeat will you have, but the fat and the flesh of a well-prepared dried bushmeat will you have. I am coming. Mother.
Ikenaya.
I'm enjoying it.
Enjoy yourself.
Very, very sweet.
Young man, I can see you are enjoying the roasted yams and the palm wine.
Yes, Chejike. As you can see, we're enjoying them.
Let me remind you that it is the hands that touch the soil that brings oil to the mouth.
Yes, sir.
And what is the meaning of that, Father?
The meaning is that there is no food for a lazy man. Any man that must eat, he also must work.
Father, you always throw in this your proverbs. I don't like it.
Because that is the oil with which the elders eat words.
Father,
yeah?
Have you been able to talk to the father of the girl I want to marry?
Oh, yes. I have spoken with him. And he responded and concluded positively
But he said that the final consent will be gotten from the daughter.
Okay.
Akara, I didn't know that you are very serious with this matter till I heard it from your father. I now agree with Ekere that you are not very well.
Yambam, don't even touch that yam. Do you want me to take this yam and this palm wine inside?
Akara, no.
Huh?
No, I just made my opinion known. Did it stop your quest? Is that why you are threatening to take the palm wine and the yam away? No, now.
Then let's eat in peace.
I heard that those raiders attacked our some maidens.
Ne, 2 maidens, and they have not been rescued.
But why do those raiders always come to Ikulu to raid for maidens?
It is because our people have not taken it serious to safeguard Ikulu. The moment our men organize themselves as guards for this clan, those slave raiders will never find it easy to take our maidens again.
I heard that some of our youths went after those raiders, but they were not able to rant them.
Goma, have you seen the reason why I said you should not go to that forest or the stream alone? Always go in the company of your friends.
Ne, you are right. See, this is why I do not miss working with Ozako and Adanna.
And I keep asking with no answers. Why these raiders always come to Ikulu?
My dear, each of the clans do raid the other clan from time to time to show their superiority and power by taking their maidens. Those maidens are used as either slaves or a way of getting a cheap wife for their sons.
This is not right.
My dear, this has been in a 16th practice even before we were born. Yes, we only told to be careful and to defend ourselves if we could during any raid.
I will kill whosoever that dares to touch or take my maiden. I would rather die than watch Ugoma being adopted by any man.
God forbid. Our forefathers forbid that. The hand of the slave raiders will never come near anybody that is related to us. Our ancestors will continue to protect us.
Mother, I will pursue, close up, overtake and beat down any man or spirit who ventures to play with my maiden. With my cutlass, Mother, I will cut them down. And with my hands, I will rescue my maiden.
Well, whatever happens, it is good to always advise the fowl never to stray where the wolves strayed. We must caution our maidens not to walk alone, mostly while going to the stream to fetch water and the forest to fetch firewood.
Mother Ugoma is a wise maiden. She will never play into the hands of those useless raiders.
Okay then. You go inside and rest. Your friends will soon be here for the evening hunting. Remember, you have a hunting to do. Go in and rest.
Thank you, Mother. Akara, what is this that you have conceived and planned against me?
Planned against you? How and when?
Stop acting as if you do not know what I am talking about. I am very serious with this matter.
Mbam, Ekere, do you understand what Ikena is talking about?
Alright, fine. Since you want to pretend as if you do not know what I am talking about, I will tell you. I heard you have been meddling with my maiden. Why have you decided to dip your foot where I go to get my meat and my fish? Ugoma is mine and you know that, Akara. Why have you decided to start talking to her about marriage?
Oh, now I understand. Is that your problem? I can see you've been running around her like Ijiji one. And I'm not here to run around her like a grasshopper. I'm here for the kill. I'm not here to waste her time again now. Yes.
You know, Wakara, if not that I've known you since you were this little, if not that we've been friends since childhood, I'd have known you as someone without brains. I would have been surprised with this level of foolishness you have just displayed.
Are you calling me a fool?
What other word qualifies you well?
Look at this fool, son of a widow, trying to talk down on me. Let me ask you something. Do you know who I am? Do you know that my father is the biggest yam farmer in Ekuru Kingdom? Let me ask you something, Ikenna. What do you have to contest?
Both of you, stop it quickly.
Yes.
What kind of mind? Hey! Hey!
It's okay. Let me teach this fool what fire does to the ears of an antelope.
Ikenna. You see how foolish both of you have become? Huh? You know how foolish Akara is. You want to bring his blood upon your head because of a maiden.
Oh, you shut up! Were you not here? Were you not here? Ekere! Well, you should thank his stars that you are here. If not for you, Ekere, I would have committed murder today. Tomorrow, this meat will not be this lucky again. Ikenna.
Ichiedike. It is said that when palm wine is going to the market and they see someone it knows, it reduces in size.
Oh yeah,
This issue is something that would have ended in one market day. You remember what I told you the very first time we met on this issue? I told you that I will speak to my daughter.
Yes, but have you spoken to her yet?
Yes, I've spoken to her.
What did she say?
Ichiedike, like a child she is. Childlike behavior of hers. She told me that she was considering someone's proposal. Yeah, the hunter son of late Ezekiel.
And you allowed that? Ichiobag, how can you, a respected Digi yam farmer in Ekuru, allow your only daughter to pitch tent with the poor son of a widow? Poor hunter son of a widow.
Don't get me wrong. I vehemently refuse that. I objected to that. Why should she?
Good. Very good, my friend. Imagine what would happen when the son of Dike, the biggest yam farmer, one of the biggest yam farmers in Ekuru, gets married to the daughter of Ubaka, another biggest yam farmer in Ekuru.
Egurugu, it will be the talk of a clan.
That is the reason why you should not allow your daughter to have anything to do with that poor hunter son of Ezekiel.
Chiedike, I am making a promise to you now. I will do everything humanly possible to ensure that I drive away that idiot of a boy and then drive my daughter to the awaiting arms of your son.
Hell!
That's a promise I made.
Obaka, whatever is going to cost me to get your daughter to marry my son, I will do it. Let it happen in Ekuru.
I know whom you are. I know whom you are.
So let it be as we have spoken.
Mhm.
Let it be as we. Yes, agreement is always buried with a nod.
My husband, you have to put more pressure on Mazo Baka to convince his daughter to marry our son. The decision should not be left for the maiden alone.
My wife, it is said that money answers all questions and solves all problems. What does that poor son of the widow of Ezekiel have in order to keep that maiden?
My husband, love comes from the heart and is stronger than cowries and bands of yam.
If she becomes too stubborn, I will buy the heart of the father with tubers of yams and money.
I said it again, my husband. Love comes from the inner heart and it is still stronger than bands of yam and cowries. Yeah?
Since my son has indicated that it is that maiden that he wants, it is she he will get. That is why I am using the father to bring the daughter to her knees. Because it is said that it is with the cheek that you attract the hen.
Nonsense! I will teach that boy a lesson he will never forget in this life, and even after he has gone to join his ancestors. Just imagine. Onyala.
Okorobianwam, what is boiling in the pot?
Is it not that foolish son of a widow that came to shoot me with his gun? Onapwala.
And he threatened to shoot you with his gun?
Yes! He came with a strong venom. Thank God for my friends. If not, I can be boy now.
This is a serious matter that I will not take lightly. I will go to Mazi Ezekiel's place to warn the wife, Egondu, to restrain her wild son from this family, or he will regret knowing this family.
Father, just because I told him that he's not qualified to contest with me in this village, and he got angry. That was what happened.
My son, show me a man that will not fight for what he loves. Your father here nearly killed a man from Ndiezuru because of me.
My son, do not bother yourself about that poor son of a widow. I am doing everything I can to make sure I get the hands of that maiden, the daughter of Obaka, for you. And I'm sure that maiden will marry you.
Thank you, Father. Father, I'm going out to meet my friends. We have drinking competition today.
Ose?
He said he's going out with his friend for a drinking contest. You see my problem with him? Eh? Drinking spree does not take a man to anywhere.
You see, that is why I'm doing everything to get a wife for him, so that he can settle down and become responsible enough to take over from me when I am gone.
I pray to the gods to make our son a better person for us.
He say,
it's not about what anyone thinks. If a got no matter what anyone feels. If a got it has been preordained. It has been sealed by fate.
Ikem Naya.
My morning sun and my sunshine.
My Lion King, the Lord of my life. My strong right arm.
My love, I love you with all my heart, with all my life.
And I love you with all my being. You are the mirror of my life.
If I ever see that if son of Dike anywhere around you again, I will teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry in his life.
Ikem, do not let that if-leaf bother you. I am all that matters. If you are hungry, tell me. Let me get your food.
Please, I will not mind if the food is made ready for me now, so that I can eat and have enough strength to confront the animals in the bush.
Okay, just settle down. Let me get your food. Ikemu. Nwoke obiọma. Ụtọ mụ.
Bye. Who is at home?
Who is there? Please wait, I'm coming.
Please do quick and come. I do not have all the day to spend here.
Ichedike, what is the toad after this afternoon? Because it is said that the toad do not run in the daytime for nothing. It is either the toad is after something or something is after the toad. So to what do I owe this unusual visit?
It is also said that the fly that refuses sound counsel follows the corpse to the grave. And also the ear that refuses sound counsel goes into the bag of the headhunter.
I am lost, Ichedike.
Where is your son?
He went to check on his trap.
Very good. When he returns, tell him I was here to warn him to stay away from everything that concerns my family and everywhere we have interest.
Ichedike, I do not understand what you are trying to say about my son.
It was reported to me that your son threatened to cut my son with his machete because of the interest he has in a maiden.
Ichedike, I would have loved you to tell him personally because he is in the right position to answer you, to talk on this matter.
Now that he's not at home, I am leaving the message with you to give to him.
Here he is. Talk to him yourself.
Greetings, Ichedike. I hope all is well, this one you visited.
My friend, listen to me very carefully, because this will be the first and last time I'm going to bring myself here to warn you.
All right, go ahead, I am listening.
The monkey does not pay himself in a dance with the chimp.
Yes, that is true.
That is the reason why I have come here to warn you to desist from equating yourself with my son and trying to pay up with him in a competition. Do not try to fetch your water where he wants to dip his feet.
What are you saying, Ichedike? You're confusing me. I do not make head with all the words you've said to me.
Now that you cannot understand simple proverb, I'm going to use simple words to warn you.
My daughter, I give you up till tomorrow morning to come and tell me that you have nothing to do with that hunter son of Ezekiel. And tell me that the person you want to marry is my friend's son, Akara.
Father, what does this mean to you? Why are you trying to force me against my will?
Did you say well? Do you have a will? I am your father. I will whatever I want you to do. And in this circumstance, I want you to marry the son of my friend DK.
Father, does my happiness matter to you?
Your happiness is why I'm saying all this I'm saying. Do you know what you will lose if you don't get married to Akara, the son of DK? Do you know what it means? Do you know whom DK is? One of the biggest young farmers in this kingdom. The person you are trying to lose. Think twice.
Father, is yam all that matters to you? Father, do you care about my future happiness? Father, do you care about my emotions? The person I love? Father, I do not love Akara. Father, I want Ikenna. Ikenna is the one I love. Father.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? Listen. All right, henceforth, no visitors. Whether you're going out or coming, no more again. If I ever see that useless son of Ezekiel in this compound, don't ask me what happened to him.
But it's not Akara that I want. I do not love him. It's Ikenna I love. Father, I don't want Akara. It's Ikenna I want to get married to.
Ichedike, I will forgive and spare you for this foolishness which you have just displayed here today. Leave and never come back here to say this evil which you have said before my family again.
Are you trying to insult me? Who gave you the audacity to look me in the face and talk to me without respect?
Our people say that when the elder calls his basket useless, the children will use it to defecate. Leave my father's enclave now, before I do something to you that you will not like.
What are you going to do? What will you do to Ichedike, the richest yam farmer in Ekuru?
Do not dare me, Ichedike. Do not dare me. I want that Ifule of a son never to look the direction of my maiden again, or you will find his head.
I can see that you, bird, have become overfed with food that now you want to challenge your God to a wrestling bout. But I will teach you how to control.
Come back and teach me! Come back and teach me! Come and teach me how to control myself before useless elders like you. Idiot.
He is so puffed up. He is so puffed up and thinks that all that matters in life is a yam and cowries. Just imagine.
JDK is favored by our ancestors today. Tomorrow may not be as favorable to him. You hear from me. But the world weighs love with gold. Who will judge love and be fair?
Mother, it is father.
Your father? What did he do this time?
He upbraided me for not agreeing to marry the son of Dike.
My daughter, I give you up to tomorrow morning to come and tell me that you have nothing to do with that hunter son of Ezekiel. And tell me that the person you want to marry is my friend's son, Akara.
Father, what does this mean to you? Why are you trying to force me against my will?
Did you say well? Do you have a will? I am your father. I will whatever I want you to do. And in this circumstance, I want you to marry the son of my friend Dike.
Father, does my happiness matter to you?
Your happiness is why I'm saying all this I'm saying. Do you know what you will lose if you don't get married to Akara, the son of Dike? Do you know what it means? Do you know whom Dike is? One of the biggest young farmers in this kingdom. The person you are trying to lose. Think twice.
Father, is yam all that matters to you? Father, do you care about my future happiness? Father, do you care about my emotions? The person I love? Father, I do not love Akara. Father, I want Ikenna. Ikenna is the one I love. Father.
Will you shut up? Will you just shut up? Listen. Alright, henceforth, no visitors. Whether you're going out or coming, no more again. If I ever see that useless son of Ezekiel in this compound, don't ask me what happened to him.
But it's not Akara that I want. I do not love him. It's Ikenna I love. Father, I don't want Akara. It's Ikenna I want to get married to.
It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. I'll talk to your father about this matter. It's okay. I don't know why he's doing this to our only child.
It is because I want everything good for her. Speak not on this matter again. I am the head of the family. I decide what happens in my home as long as I live and as long as I breathe.
My husband.
Don't speak again! Listen, woman, take your daughter inside and advise her properly. Admonish her properly.
It's okay. Get up, let's go inside there. I'll talk to you. Oh, get up, let's go inside. It's okay. Get up now. Get up. Oh. I'll talk to him about it. Oh.
It has been preordained. It has been sealed by faith.
That boy insulted the daylight out of my life. Hi!
What happened, my husband?
JDK, I will forgive and spare you for this foolishness which you have just displayed here today. Leave and never come back here to say this evil which you have said before my family again.
Are you trying to insult me? Who gave you the audacity to look me in the face and talk to me without respect? Eh?
Our people say that when the elder calls his basket useless, the children will use it to defecate. Leave my father's enclave now, before I do something to you that you will not like.
What are you going to do? What will you do to Ichedike, the richest yam farmer in Ekuru?
Do not dare me, Ichedike. Do not dare me. I want that Ifule of a son never to look the direction of my maiden again, or you will find his head.
I can see that you, bird, have become overfed with food that now you want to challenge your God to a wrestling bout. But I will teach you how to control.
Come back and teach me! Come back and teach me!
He cannot did this to you. He also threatened to shoot me with his gun. Imagine. Imagine!
What were you expecting? Were you expecting an easy walkover of that boy? You are even lucky that he did not shoot you with that his gun.
Mother, why will he cannot shoot my father with a gun?
Because your father is wading into that boy's love territory without appeasement. How do you even expect that boy to leave the maiden that he highly cherished without a fight? That is not possible at all.
Mother, but that's not enough reason for Ikenna to face my father with a gun on Apwala.
I ran, no. I ran for my life when he started pointing the gun at me. Huh? Because life has no duplicate. I had to run.
But now let me ask you this question. Why don't our son go and look for another maiden in this Ekuru kingdom to get married to? Must it be the same maiden?
Mother, that girl is the only girl my heart's desire for.
If your heart desired for her, you go and make it out. Go and fight for what your heart desired.
Me fight again. I cannot fight again. He has his gun, my father has money and has 2 bars of yam. Yes! Ikenna will fight and get tired. You see that maiden? That maiden belongs to me. And it's final.
Yeah, whoa. You cannot win love battle with mere wishes. You go and fight for what you love.
Uzondo, stop thinking the way you are thinking. Listen to me. I have laid out my plans on how to get the hands of that maiden, the daughter of Ichie Obaka, for the bosom of our son.
Thank you, Father. You will live long. Thank you.
Ugomma. Aho dia. Ahom.
My husband. My husband.
I want to leave. Where is your daughter?
She just stepped out.
I hope she has not gone out to see that useless hunter friend of hers.
Maybe she went out to see her maiden friends.
Ahodia, if I found out that she went out to see that useless boy of hers, you know what I'll do?
Now, let me ask you. Are you sure you are doing the right thing about this matter?
I am the head of the family. I know what is good for my household. I know what is good for my only daughter.
Now, let me ask you.
Go on.
When you came to marry me, and my parents did exactly what you are doing now, did I not stand my ground and marry you?
Ahodia, that was a different situation altogether. You don't expect me to hand over my only daughter to that useless hunter son of Ezekiel. I will not do that.
When you married me, what did you have? Nothing. It was my determination and hard work that will build all you have today.
No. Do not try to convince me because my mind is already made up on that. Don't.
My husband, no one can quench the fire of love. You will need more than water to do that. Let me get my basket and join you.
Better do so and do it in time, please.
Ikennaya, my son, my husband. What is the matter with you? You have been pacing this ground since morning. Ogini.
Mother, I'm worried. My heart is troubled. Ugoma has not come to visit me for a while now.
But if anything bad has happened to her, we would have heard about it. At least her friends, Uzaku and Adanna, would have come to inform us. I am suspecting that her father has restricted her movement to prevent her from seeing you.
But why, Mother? Why would the Chiobaka do this to me? To us? Why?
Because he does not want you to marry her daughter.
But Mother, we're already in love. We are deeply in love with each other, Mother.
How I wish that men understand the ways of true love.
Fubaka dares try to do anything to separate my love. I swear by the gods, Mother.
Ikenna, don't say that thing you want to say. Don't try it. Don't you know that words are very powerful? Especially when they are uttered with an embittered heart. Ikenna, if the gods have ordained your union with that maiden, nobody, not even spirit, can stop it. Ikenna, if the gods have ordained your union with Ugoma, nobody, not even spirit, can stop it.
My king and my support.
Ugoma,
Nne.
you are welcome.
Thank you, Nne.
Ikenna,
Mother,
I told you that your love for her will bring her to you. Are you happy now?
Not until I am led into the knowledge of what has kept her away from me for this long.
I think I would have to hurry to the farm before the sun gets high. See you when I get back.
All right, Mother. Go well.
Thank you.
May the ancestors and our gods protect you in the farm.
He say...
Come. Come and sit. Sit down. Let me get you something to welcome you back to my heart. Come.
Akara, I'm not going to be part of this evil you are planning against Iken now. No.
Neither will I be part of it too. Come. Akara, what are you even thinking? Eh? Have you forgotten that Ikenna is your friend and also our friend? How do you expect us to do this harm on him? I won't do that.
I hope both of you understand what you are going to miss if you decline my offer. 2 large bands of yam each.
Akara, if you like, offer me 100 bands of yam. I will never waste the blood of an equal man or woman. I won't do that.
If I knew that this was why you invited us here, I wouldn't have come. Ekere, I'm out.
Bam. Why do you want to be foolish and remain in poverty?
Akara, I know you are so arrogant, but not to even plan to take the life of a man. It's wickedness.
If Ikenna puts out of the way, that maiden would have no choice than to run to my arms.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Akara, you are so full of yourself to even think that life will always go the way we dream about it. Ekere, I'm out of here before the gods of our land will count us in the evil Akara is planning. I'm out.
Useless friends of mine. Nonsense. If you people cannot do it, I'll look for people that will do it even in lesser wage. Useless friends of mine.
Mom, what was that with Akara?
The heart of men are evil. I mean, I'm so disappointed at what Akara just did right now. How could he even think of such evil in his heart?
Because of a maiden. Eh? Maidens that are everywhere in Ekulu. Why would he think of such evil to his own friend, our friend?
If we do this, even the gods of our ancestors will never forgive us.
So, what do you think we should do now? To let him know about this?
No. No. If we let Ikenna know about this, it will cause more trouble between them.
So, what do you think we should do now?
I think we need to watch over him, so that Akara's evil plans will never work on him. I think that's the best thing we should do.
You have a point. You have a point. So we'll do that.
I think you're right.
Let's go.
All right.
Eat. Go ahead and eat. I prepared it for you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You like it? I am happy you are enjoying the meat I killed, prepared and roasted with love for you, my queen.
I am enjoying every bite and chunk that I turn in my mouth.
For you, I will kill all the animals in the bush and make them sweet for your tongue. As my wife, you use bushmeat as soup thickness. I will serve you meat as meal.
Thank you, my love. And that is why I pray that the gods and our ancestors will bless the works of your hands.
He say,
and give you more cowries to pay my bride price.
He say, enjoy your meal, my love, and know that Ikenna will work through all obstacles and wages to make you my maiden and my wife.
And I promise to stand firmly by your promises to me. I will also not forget our vow to live together in life and in death.
He say, thank you, my queen.
Thank you, Kim.
My star. The dew that wakes me up every morning. I am yours, and yours forever will I be. That's why I am doing everything possible to make sure that I save enough cowries to come and ask for your hand in marriage and take you off from your father's stead. My queen, you need to hurry up and eat your food so that you go before the sun sets and your father will return from the farm. I do not want you to have any problem with your father. Please.
Ikem, I can get into any trouble that comes my way because of you.
And I will love you. I will love you with my life forever.
I love you so much, Ikem.
Where is he? Woman! Where is your useless son?
Ichobaka, I hope it is well with this kind of visit.
Woman, where is your useless son? That was my question.
Ichobaka, what has my son done to end this derogatory name calling?
I am not here for emotionals. I want to see your son right away.
Ichobaka.
Ichobaka, greetings. Welcome to my father's stead.
Keep your greetings to yourself.
Please, are you not going to say that? Please sit down. Let me get you cooler.
Sit down to do what? I've come to see you. Listen very attentively. I don't want to see you near my daughter any longer.
But Ichubaka, I am in love with your daughter. And I am sure that Ugoma loves me deeply too.
Did you hear yourself? I am not interested in whether you love her shallowly or you love her deeply. What really concerns me is that leave her alone so that she should get married to a man that deserves her.
Ichioba, so what are you going to do? Are you going to separate what the gods have brought together? Is that what you want to do?
Woman, why don't you keep quiet and I'll pretend you are not around? I've come here to talk to your son and not you. Oh! What's this problem?
Ichubaka, I have heard your warning. And I want to say this to you too. If the gods have ordained your daughter to be my maiden, there is nothing you can do about it. You may try, Ubaka, but I can assure you that you will never succeed. For what the gods have joined together, not even you, Ubaka, you can tear apart.
No problems, I've had you too. We shall see when I must have given my daughter to the rightful person.
Ichubaka, we have heard what you have said. And I believe you've also heard what the man of the house, my son, have told you. So go home and set your house in order. Because my son is coming soonest, to take your maiden as a wife.
Listen, I've delivered my message and I want you to take it with the seriousness it has been delivered. Anytime, any day, anywhere, any moment, I see you near my daughter. That will be the day you see what will happen to you.
My son, don't allow that to worry you. For what the gods have joined together, nobody can stop it. Nobody. Not even him.
I do not fear for myself, mother. I fear for my maiden. For what they will do to her to make her give in to their pressure.
Fear not. Fear not. For love endures everything. She will endure for your sake. Yes.
This is what I want from you and your boys. Just put him away and make sure it is well done.
We decided to use people from another clan to remove any kind of suspicion.
Ichie, we are going to do the job, and nobody will know how it happened. All you owe us is just one bag of cowries, and to make sure that it does not leak from your end.
I'm a reputable man in Eku, and this kind of a thing must not be linked to me. That is why I'm paying you handsomely. You asked for one bag, I will give you 2 bags.
I will get the best hands for this job, and I assure you that nobody will suspect your involvement in this.
After this, my son will go and get the cowries for you.
Yeah. You will not regret doing business with me. Let
me go and get the money for you, Ozubo.
My father has gone to the farm. My mother has gone to the market. I am all alone at home. You are free to do your maiden gossips.
So now, your father is restricting your movement from this house because of Ikenna.
My dear, he does not want to see Ikenna anywhere around me. Do you know my father is still planning to force me to marry that Ifulefu son of Dike?
The God forbid. It will never happen. He say,
I'd rather die than marry that braggart son of Dike. I do not love him. It is Ikenna that I love. My heart belongs to him.
Why is your father doing this? Why is he not realizing that marrying you off to Akara will take away your happiness forever.
He is not looking at my happiness. He's only interested in the wealth and possessions of Dike. I will never marry that Akara. I will not marry that Iflefu.
But why is Ikenna hastening up from coming to ask for your hand in marriage? Why?
Has Izzy come to ask for yours yet?
He hasn't, but he hasn't saved enough money for my bride price. When he's ready, he will come and ask for my hand in marriage.
Same with my Ikem. I know he's still saving cowries to come and pay for my bride price, and I know very soon he will come.
Same way I'm patiently waiting for my Ibe to come and take me away very soon as his bride. My prayer is that the gods will help all of them to come and do the needful so that they will take all of us as wives.
Ise.
I carefully chose all of you for this job because I trust you can do it. We decided to use men not from their clan to make sure the crime is not traced to them after it is committed.
Ikoro, we have heard all you said. We also have the money they have paid for the job. And it's good for the job.
Ikoro, you know you have not disappointed in any assignment like this before. I promise that you will deliver on this.
Udo?
No comments. You have said what I have in mind to say.
Well then, I will let you know when it's time for the assignment. You can go now.
It's not about what anyone thinks. If it got it, no matter what anyone feels.
Olamma, we go
If it got it, it has been preordained. It has been sealed by fate. It has been decided by the gods.
I greet you.
You're welcome. Welcome. Are you asking after anybody? Because I do not know you from this part at all.
No, I am not from this part. I have come urgently to see one Ikenna, who they say lives here. Is any of you the one I seek?
No. He will soon come out. Sit down and wait for him.
No, my mission here is an urgent one that does not allow me to sit. I have to see him and deliver my message and leave immediately.
If you say so, I will call him for you. Ikenna! Ikenna, please come quickly. You are needed here urgently. Come. Ike! Oh. Hey. This man wants to see you urgently.
My friend, what is the urgent matter?
Are you Ikenna?
Yes.
The son of the widow Egondu?
Yes, I am the person. What is the problem?
My name is Udo. I am from Ekurenu. I have come urgently to deliver a message to you. Your life is in danger as I speak with you here.
I do not understand. What do you mean my life is in danger?
Someone has planned evil against your life and has paid greatly with great amounts.
How?
I carefully chose all of you for this job because I trust you can do it. We decided to use men not from their clan to make sure the crime is not traced to them after it is committed.
Ikoro, we have heard all you said. We also have the money they have paid for the job. And it's good for the job.
Ikoro, you know you have not disappointed in any assignment like this before. I promise that you will deliver on this.
Udo?
No comments. You have said what I have in mind to say.
Well then, I will let you know when it's time for the assignment. You can go now.
Alright. That is why I have here to see and talk to you. My conscience has constrained me to be part of this evil plan because I perceive that the one who is behind this has no clean hands.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you for listening to your mind and from observing yourself from this evil orchestrated against an innocent man. May the gods bless you.
See.
And as for your identity, it shall be protected.
But may I ask to know the identity of the man or woman behind this plan?
He is from Ekuru. His name is Akara, as it was revealed. He wants what you have and is ready to put you away for that reason. I must take my leave immediately before I am spotted at Atiku.
Thank you.
Chai, why is Akara and his people taking this step to do what is quite impossible? Why?
The gods and our ancestors know that my hands are clean. And they'll forever protect me from any harm.
The hands that will dig any pit for your feet, he shall fall into it.
Kena, we are your good friends and we shall remain your good friends. And we look after your back.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my friends. Please let me go in and get us the palm wine and bushmeat.
It's very important.
As usual. The world is wicked.
Obaka, what about the future wife of my son? The assignment to her whenever you ask this question is, it is as if you are the one going to marry her.
Obaka, don't speak like that. Don't speak like that. I'm speaking and thinking for my son. After all, the wife of my son will eventually become my daughter.
You win in this regard. You win.
Obaka, my business here, my mission here is going to be very concise. I don't want us to delay anything. I've come to ask you to find out when it is going to be right for you for us to come and start the marital rights. But because as you're looking at me now, I am ready to start now.
Ichedike, the question should be the other way around. Because for me, whenever you're ready, I'm ready. I'm sitting in my house waiting for a visitor. I have nothing to lose. Whenever he comes, we start the business.
And again, I want to ask you, have you primed that maiden properly for this?
Ichedike, I am the head of the family. Just like the dog would say, throw out the bone for him. Forget about his fight with the spirits.
I'll be coming. We will be on our way very soon.
Lost them. You would have made mincemeat of them today.
How did you all come to save me? How did you know I was in danger?
Ikenna, Ikere and I here have been monitoring your movement. From the day we learned that Akara have been planning to cause you harm.
You heard?
Yes.
How?
Akara, I'm not going to be part of this evil you are planning against Ikenna. No.
Neither will I be part of it too. Come, Akara, what are you even thinking? Have you forgotten that Ikenna is your friend and also our friend? How do you expect us to do this harm on him? I won't do that.
I hope both of you understand what you are going to miss if you decline my offer. 2 large bands of yam each.
Akara, if you like, offer me 100 bands of yam. I will never waste the blood of an Ekulu man or woman. I won't do that.
If I knew that this was why you invited us here, I wouldn't have come. Ekere, I'm out.
Bam. Why do you want to be foolish and remain in poverty?
Akara, I know you are so arrogant, but not to even plan to take the life of a man. It's wickedness.
If we cannot put out of the way, that maiden would have no choice than to run to my arms.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Akara, you are so full of yourself to even think that life will always go the way we dream about it. Ekere, I'm out of here before the gods of our land will count us in the evil Akara is planning. I'm out.
Useless friends of mine. Nonsense. If you people cannot do it, I'll look for people that will do it even in lesser wage. Useless friends of mine.
Mom. What was that with Akara?
The heart of men are evil. I mean, I'm so disappointed at what Akara just did right now. How could he even think of such evil in his heart?
Because of a maiden. Maidens that are everywhere in Ekulu. Why would he think of such evil to his own friend, our friend?
If we do this, even the gods of our ancestors will never forgive us.
So, what do you think we should do now? To let him know about this?
No. No. If we let Ikenna know about this, it will cause more trouble between them.
So, what do you think we should do now?
I think we need to watch over him, so that Akara's evil plans will never work on him. I think that's the best thing we should do.
You have a point. So we vowed to watch over you and to monitor all Akara's evil movements against you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I mean, how can I ever pay you all for this act of true friendship?
Come on, Ikenna. What are true friends for? We just did what friends are supposed to do for themselves. So, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Thank you.
After we had the message from the young man from Ndekulenu, I and Eze decided not to stay very far from you for your life's sake. So we started following you around to make sure that Akara and his father's plan do not come to fruition.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you all so much. I am really indebted to you. Let us go.
Akara, my son, I have been waiting for a report from you concerning the assignment I gave to you on that boy. What has happened?
Father, the people I sent for that assignment were not able to accomplish it the way it was directed.
Meaning?
They missed the target and were counterattacked.
You see, this is the reason why I do not hand over sensitive matter to you, like this one. Eh?
Why are you shouting at me? No, why are you shouting as if it's my fault? Why are you shouting?
Is it my own fault?
Yes, it's your fault. Why are you shouting? I seek for that girl's hand in marriage without taking Ikenna out.
My friend, bring down your voice. Why are you yelling? Do you want to expose us?
Father, we're not alone here. Is there anybody? Is anybody seeing us?
Oh, you don't know that the walls have ears and the birds also gossip. Do you know the implication of the failure of those boys for not carrying the assignment the way it was prescribed? They can expose us if they are recognized and arrested. Eh?
So what are we going to do now?
Give them more money to shut them up or take them out completely forever. Silence them.
All this because of one maiden of Ekuru.
A worthy maiden of Ekuru. A worthy maiden of Ekuru. Do you know the benefits you have by being planted between two richest young farmers in Ekuru? One as your father, the other one as your father-in-law. Do you know?
So what are we going to do now?
First, we are going to go to Ubaka's house, kola nut and wine, palm wine, and put it on the head of that maiden as our first mark of ownership, so that we can drive away that boy from that maiden.
What have I done to Dike and Ubaka that they want to do this to me? Ezike, my husband, why did you just go and abandon us to the hands of these evil men? These savages who think they can do anything because they possess wealth.
Mother.
Why did you leave us?
Mother, please.
Why?
Mother, please stop crying. Stop crying and put yourself together. I have told you several because I am innocent. My hands are clean. My heart is pure. No one is able to hurt me. The sincerity of the love I have for Goma will keep me safe until she becomes my wife.
But they want to hurt you. They want to hurt, maim, or even eliminate you from the surface of this earth.
Mother,
they want your head.
Mother, please, can you just stop, please? Nobody is able to kill whom the gods have not destined to die. I am innocent, Mother. Ejimogu Jidekwofo.
Ikenna, the gods will continue to protect you.
See.
The spirits of your late father will keep watching over you. Nothing will happen to you. My daughter,
Why are you crying?
Our lives have been endangered. They want to eliminate us.
May the gods forbid. Whoever seeks your lives will not succeed.
Say, thank you, my love. Thank you. The genuineness of your love for me will keep me safe until we'll get victory.
I came more gently to let you and Nne know that my father has proposed with Dike and his family to come with some kola nuts and palm wine and put on my head to secure and get hold of my head.
Never! It will never happen, not while I'm still alive and breathing. They will never succeed.
Ikenna, you will not let the blood of any man be upon your head. Never. You will not do that. You will not hurt any man. But the gods will fight for you. The gods will protect you, the son of a widow. Never, you won't do that. Ugoma, thank you so much for this information. Thank you for letting us know this.
Ikem, I have to start going now. I wouldn't want my father to notice my absence. Before I go, I want you to know that I love you so much.
I love you.
It's you I love, my love.
Go well, my daughter.
Mother, they will never succeed.
Ikoro, you failed. And you knew how important that assignment was for me and my father.
It wasn't our fault, Akara. We did our homework and calculations very, very well. We followed the target straight into the bush. As we were just about launching, we saw men with cutlasses, weapons, sophisticated. They came between us and the target. We had to run for our lives in order to avoid being caught because of your identity. You know what that means if any of us was caught.
But how did the men know your plans? and the day for the target on that same day.
That I can't explain, oh. I just can't explain that. But maybe it's just a mere coincidence. Or perhaps some hunter heard his distressed voice as he was escaping. That's just what I think, because everything was sealed.
As it is now, I know he has fortified himself. And any attempt to attack him may result badly for all of us.
Okay. I think so too.
So my father asked me to give you some money to shut your mouth up forever.
Okay. It is well. It is well. We will keep our mouth shut if you give us more calories. You know, enough calories. I can shut us up.
Let's go and get the bag of money.
Ozubonyi.
Oh, my parents. I invited you to my house because of what is going to happen here tomorrow. Yes.
Udodikwa.
Sadly. DK and his kinsmen will be coming here tomorrow because they see my daughter's hand in marriage. So, I want you people to be present. I have invited you. I will invite other kinsmen of ours.
Thank you. Inokwam, what else does a man want from his labor or his children other than something like this? Daughters for son-in-laws and sons for other people's daughters.
Ichiobaka, I'm so happy for you that your daughter is being married to a man like Ichedike. That means your children will be swimming in the abundance of yams.
Please, my good friends, once again, do not fail to be here tomorrow. Yes, I need your moral support.
But, Ichiobaka, you don't need to beg us to be here. Because we must be here to witness the epoch event happening between the two DGs in our community.
Ichiobaka, trust us. We must keep on supporting you.
Surely be here.
But listen, let me ask a question. Okay. Which of your daughters is going to Ichedike's son?
Maziwe, are you with us? How many daughters does Obaka have? I have only one daughter, and that's the one I'm talking of. Because Dike and his son will be coming here to take her hands in marriage.
A man that asks questions does not miss his way.
See,
the reason why I ask this question, because I am aware that your daughter has something to do with the son of late Ezike and Egondo, his widowed wife. That is why I ask.
I don't know why you like spoiling someone's mood. Concerning marriage, who takes the maiden? Is it the man who goes about telling people, I want to marry this, I want to marry that? Or the person who actually places something on the head of a girl?
It is the person that places something on the head of the maiden. That is it.
You're right. This boy you are talking about,
yes,
Ezike's son, has never in any way told me about his interest in my daughter. Okay. But DK has come here many times. DK has given me something to say we're interested in this girl. So I don't know where I've gone wrong. Onye ji na akonye.
Ichiobaka. Akwani Chukwu mele gị. Chukwu mele gị. We will be here for you. Igwe, have your questions been answered and your doubts cleared?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The answer is very clear.
Your doubts have been cleared. That settled it.
It's not about what anyone thinks. If it got it, no matter what anyone feels. If it got it, it has been preordained. It has been sealed by fate. It has been.
Mother, but why is father doing this to his only daughter and only child?
My dear, we are in the world of men. The world where men possess all the rights and authority over women. And there's nothing we can do about it.
Mother, what about the promises I and Ike made to each other? Mother, he has promised to be a good husband when we get married. Mother, what about my feelings?
I wish I have answers to those questions. But I don't. We can only pray for the gods to come to our aid in this matter. But I promise you, everything will be fine.
Still sweeping and arranging the place. Our visitors are already on the way.
Husband, we're almost done.
Listen. No. Go in, get yourself prepared. Go along with your daughter.
Come now.
Let's be on our way. I don't want Iche Obaka and his kinsmen to wait for us for too long. Let's begin.
If it got it, no matter what anyone feels. If it got it, it has been preordained. It has been sealed by fate. It has been decided by the gods. Nothing can come in the way. No one can separate. Chukukuru yakeme.
Mother.
My son.
What is a palm wine to you, hurting man? Where is the appetite for the palm wine when Obaka is handing away my love to another man today?
Ikenaya, do you remember what I told you about the gods being the final settler of life matters?
Yes, I do, Mother.
Good. And I also told you that if the gods have ordained that you and Ugomma are men for each other, nobody, not even their ancestors, can counter it. Do not be hurt when you do not know the plan of the gods for your life. Don't get hurt. So drink. When it gets into you, it will help you to forget the present situation. Drink. Drink and enjoy yourself.
Ikenna, my friend, I agree with your mother. And I suggest we go ahead and drink the wine. We hope for the better for today. Ibe, let us drink.
Ichedike, let's go inside.
Inform Obaka that we are here.
Let's just go in. He will see us. But
Never!
Ikenna!
Ikenna, what are you doing with the cutlass?
Mother, I'm going for hunting.
Did you say hunting? Today? But we never planned going for hunting today.
I just decided to go hunting today. I am going to hunt down the tiger that has come to prey on my goat.
Give it to me. Nyamia.
Ikenna, today is not for cutlass. You can't go hunting today. Let the cutlass rest today. Tomorrow they will be sharp enough for you to hunt and go deeper.
Hey!
Ikenna,
take it easy. Take it easy.
Ikenna, I know that Ugoma is deeply in love with you. And I believe that she will not just give herself up to any man like that. The maidens of this clan speak highly of her discipline and dedication to purpose. I am convinced that she will never leave you for any man in Ekuru.
What are you saying, Eze? That is when a maiden is not under pressure. Ugoma is going through great pressure lately, and there's a maiden who is still under her father's stead. Anything can happen.
Hi. If I am allowed, I would have suggested that we move straight to Obaka's house to confront him on what he's doing. What is all this?
No. The person we should confront is Akara, who knows how close that maiden is to Ikenna and ventured to approach her for a relationship. It is that Efulefu that we mercilessly deal with.
Ikenna, I still trust what your mother has said. You have nothing to worry about. Eh? If you and Ugoma are actually meant to be, no man, no woman, not even the ancestors, as your mother said, can stand it. Let's hope for good.
My people, I greet all of you.
Yeah. Ichiobaka, you're welcome.
My people say that when you hasten your action, you minimize the incidences of sudden happening. We are here today for an important thing. May I request that we see the reason why we have left most of the things that we're supposed to do today and we have gathered here. If we don't see that main thing, we may not be able to perform the rites. We have come to put a mark, a final mark on the head of the maiden that my son wants to marry.
That is the truth. Ichiobaka, Oluwanu Omume, go and bring that your masquerade maiden for sighting.
Prepare for my friend. Otherwise, why would I call him out here to waste his time unnecessarily? My wife.
Oh, my husband.
You may add more money because you will see the beauty herself.
I am the biggest and richest young farmer in this place.
What? What? Come. What is happening? My ancestors. What is the meaning of this? Where must this guy have gone?
I don't know. I hope Ugoma has not run away from home.
Run away from home and bring this shame upon me. Oh, what do I tell Dick and his kinsmen?
I hope nothing evil has come upon my daughter.
Will you just shut up? Evil happening to her on the day, the only day she'll be visited by those who are going to marry. I hope that boy, that hunter boy, has no hand in this. Because if he has hand in it, I will kill him with my bare hands.
Nah, we should be thinking about our daughter and not about Dika and his son. Nah, you are the cause of this whole thing.
My people, I don't know how to say it. The goat has eaten further up my head. The gods have decided to put me to shame. Hey!
Obaka, what are you trying to say to us? Where is the maiden you went to get for us to see?
My friend is Chedike. The maid is nowhere to be seen in this compound. She has escaped.
What kind of joke is this? How can the maiden escape here under your watches?
Ichiobaka, where is the maiden?
Chedika, my friend. She was fully aware. Even in the morning, she helped the mother prepared everywhere for your coming. And even before your arrival, she was here. How he got out of this place, I don't know.
Ichiobaka,
my friend,
I want to take you with a pinch of salt on this matter. Was your daughter not aware that we were coming today?
She was fully aware of the whole thing. Even in the morning, she helped her mother sweep everything, prepared everything.
And where is she now? Do not make me believe that you just deliberately wasted my precious time today with your daughter.
My friend DK, you know I would not do anything of that sort. Why would I call her here to disgrace you? I wouldn't do that. Oh.
My people,
I seriously believe that she did not plan this with that useless hunter son of Ezekiel.
Wait. If it turns out to be that she is in that boy's house, I will strangle him to death.
My people, Ichiobaka,
my friend,
sort it out.
Huh?
Sort it out. My people, let us leave here immediately. Bring the goats, bring the yams, and bring the palm wine. Ichiobaka, when you have sorted out yourself, get back to me.
Hey! Hey!
Obaka,
my friend.
It is said that the disgrace of the wealthy is worse than his death.
That's true.
Go and look for your daughter. Look for your daughter and drag her ears hard. And I'm leaving.
I am sure they will be trying to understand what has happened today.
No. I'm sure they are all confused now and blaming each other.
I will never return home until my father is humbled and discuss the idea of forcing a man I do not love on me.
Ugoma, listen. We're in a world where the men have all the say. They think for us and also determine our lives for us.
Ugoma, you will go home and the struggle will continue. You know, they always believe that they are doing us favor when they make decisions for us, whether it works in our favor or not.
That is why that Ifulefu called Akra would have the guts to stop me and start telling me he has the right to marry me while Ikenna does not.
So, what are you going to do now? Are you going to run away with Ikenna?
If Ikenna decides to run, I will gladly do it. Instead of not marrying Ikenna, I would rather die by taking my life by myself.
Wow. Why would you not just such thoughts in your heart? Listen, the gods always have a way with the oppressed.
I feel for my mother. I would not want to do anything that would break her heart. You know, she likes Ikenna very well. And she supports my feelings for him.
You see the reason why the thought of killing yourself shouldn't even settle in your heart at all?
I can see that both of you are not hungry. I am dying to have something in this stomach. Have some food inside. Let's go in and eat, if you care.
Hey, this is good. This is good.
Very, very good. May the gods fill your house with good things.
Ise.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. And I hope you all enjoyed the yam.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, mother.
Thank you for feeding us today.
You are welcome.
Oh, I've eaten what my body wants. Exactly what my body wants.
Hey, your mother can cook.
Honestly.
Where is that useless son of a useless father?
It's you, Baka. This one you are coming to my house with anger. I hope all is well. I hope we are safe.
Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? If you know where you are hiding her, bring her out because I'm going home with her.
Ichobaka, is Ugoma missing?
What kind of joke is that? If you know where you're hiding my daughter, bring her out. Ugoma has been missing from my house.
Ichobaka, please. Stop this expensive joke which you have just come to say in my house. And let me tell you, if anything happens to my maiden, if anything there happens to my Ugoma, I will commit something that any ear that hears it in Ekuru will tingle.
It's your back, Achiri. But I heard you were giving your daughter out to Ichedike. Why not go to Ichedike and look for her? Maybe that son of Dike has stolen her. You should go that side and look for her.
Woman, say what you know. Ichedike and his members of his family left my house when we discovered my daughter was missing.
Chobaka, please stop trying my patience. Stop trying my patience. Did you say Ugoma is missing?
Yes, and I know you're keeping her here. You can. And what's the meaning of this?
I am going to search for my Ugoma.
Ikenna, wait!
Ichobaka, be careful how you come to my house to provoke me and my son. Go and look for your daughter elsewhere. Stop giving us problems. And again, let me warn you. Be very careful how you relate with my son before he cuts you up like festival meat. Be careful.
Could there be a mistake somewhere?
Stop giving us problem.
Can you see where we are now because of your inability to do what is right? I gave you an assignment, you were not able to carry it out. Look at the kind of disgrace that I went through today because of your inability to do what is right.
What are you trying to do? Father, what are you trying to do? To put the blame on me? Was it my fault? Was I the one that told the maiden to run away from the house?
Both of you should stop this blame game. Maybe the gods do not want our son and the maiden to become husband and wife.
Or that the gods have seen the foolishness of your son and have decided to deny him the privilege of having that maiden as his wife.
Don't even go there before you arouse the anger in me.
Akara, stop that foolishness in
Don't tell me to stop.
Stop talking to your father the way
What is all this?
Don't mind him. The fowl or the chicken that travels on the head of a man to the market does not know or realize the distance to the market. Everything has been done for him. I have done everything for him. So now, let him go outside there and compete with his mates and know how difficult it is to become a man.
You have to stop talking to your father the way you do.
Don't tell me that.
Let me tell you, when the gods want to kill a man, they first make him go mad. I have seen that you've become mad to talk to your father the way you do talk to him.
And I'll talk to him. Don't tell me that. Was it my fault? Don't put the blame. Was it my fault?
Bye. Is anyone here?
Ikenna, what is happening? Why are you wielding this cutlass?
I am here in search of my maiden, Ugoma. Her father came filming in my home that she's missing from the house. I was coming here with my friends, but they went the other way in search of her. If anything there happens to my maiden, Ugoma, I will do something in Ekuru that no one will forget about it.
Calm down, Ikenna, calm down. Your maiden is here. Calm down. Ugomma! Ugomma!
Ugomma!
Ugomma! Please come.
Ugom, how are you?
I escaped from the evil plans of my father and his friend DK.
I thought I had lost you. I thought I had lost you forever. What happened?
My father had already told me that DK and his Efulefu son will be coming to play some kola nose and palm wine on my head. I helped them sweep and arrange for the occasion. Just when they were not thinking about me, I escaped.
Why is DK this shameless with his foolish son?
The gods of our land have disgraced them today. I hope they will learn from their lessons.
Will they ever learn? They will not.
Ugom, what do you plan to do now? Because I know that your father will be so wroth for what has happened to him today.
I am not going back to that house for now. I'll send my friends to my mother so she can give them some of my clothes. Ikem, please, you need to go home and relax. And be very careful while you go about your business. These people are so vicious.
You're very correct, Ugom. Do you know that I was attacked recently?
Really? What happened?
While I went hunting, some group of men attacked me. They chased me through the bushes. That was how my friends came to my rescue and rescued me from the hands of those desperate assailants.
And who were those that tried to kill you?
My friends and I went after them, but we couldn't get them. We lost them. But I strongly believe that those strange assailants are people hired by Akara and his father to get him out of the way so that they can have you.
Hey! This is bad. This is very bad.
Ikem,
Obim,
they may try all they can, but nothing will ever make me change my mind towards you.
Thank you, Obim. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now that I know that you're well and safe where you are, I can now go home and sleep well.
Ikem, we'll be forever together till death do us part.
You say. Greetings, mother.
Greetings, my son. I've properly wrapped the bushmeat. I want you to take along with you for Goma.
Thank you very much, mother. Goma must be very glad to receive the bushmeat. You know, it has been long I gave her bushmeat.
And I'm sure she will like it too. Why are you taking your cutlass along? Are you going hunting today?
Mother, you know, Ineke the bird said that since we hunters have learned to shoot without aiming, it has also learned to fly without perching. Since the evil men in Ikru have sworn to harm me, I have also learned to defend myself anytime.
My son.
Mother.
My son. The man that the gods have not ordained to die. Nobody can kill the man. Nobody can kill you. My son, you are a child of the gods. And nobody can take you from the hands of the gods who kept you alive.
Say, thank you, mother. And I pray that the gods will keep you alive so that you will see my progress and see my children to go
and so shall it be.
Say.
Please, my greetings to Goma.
All right.
Go well, my son.
Thank you. She'll hear. I'll see you when I return.
Go well.
You failed woefully. My father now demands for all the money he has been giving you.
Akara, it has not gotten to this. Tell your father to calm down. As for the refund, tell him that it may never happen.
What did you say?
The refund that he is waiting for may never happen.
And why do you think so?
Akara, the money that was advanced to me was not meant for me alone. It was shared for all the boys that were part of the assignment. So how do you expect me to gather the money from all those boys? Even Okazu just married a new wife from that money. So how do we pay back?
Now listen to me, Ikoro, whatever you call your name. I'm giving you 4 market days to provide all the money my father has been giving to you. Yes, I will make you pay so dearly.
Huh?
Yes.
Akara, you must be mad. What did you drink this morning before setting out to meet me? Huh? Listen to me. If you try any of this your useless threat, let me tell you, I will set my boys after you. And I will make sure that I expose you and your father before the whole of the Ekuru people.
Listen, Ikoro, it hasn't gotten to that. Huh? Please, I was only joking. Why will you take my joke for serious?
You are joking. Listen to me, Ikoro. I don't joke! And even if it was a joke, I am taking it serious. I am going to make sure that Ekuru people will know about the mischief you and your father have been carrying out.
Listen to me. Listen. I was only joking with you, Ikoro. Huh? You're my friend for years. I can't do anything to hurt you. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry. So what do you want me to do now? To shut your mouth up?
I'm very, very vexed. Let me tell you. If you have to shut me up, you have to bring 10 bags of cowries.
10 bags of cowries?
Only.
For what? For what, Ikoro?
Yeah. You better bring down your voice before people start gathering here now to know what is happening. And trust me, Ikoro, Mmeku, I will tell them. Better bring down your voice. 10 bags of cowries. Take the message to your father.
Oh, it's okay, Ikoro. I'll pass the message to him, okay? Then I will give you feedback. Is that okay?
You better do. And you better do it fast.
There's no problem.
I understand,
Ikoro. Please, don't do anything stupid, please. No problem.
Don't waste my time.
I will do that.
If you like.
I will do that.
If you like.
Ikoro, please.
If you feel you can intimidate me.
I will get back to you, please. I understand. Huh? Ikoro, please don't do anything, eh? Please.
He's threatening to bring down heavens if you refuse to return to the house.
Mother, I am ready to die than to lose Ikenna and marry Akara.
I've tried to lay those facts, but it seems your father wants to do what he will.
But why, Nne?
He claims he's doing the right thing for Goma.
By forcing her into a marriage she will never be happy in?
Over my dead body. Nne, that will never happen. Go and tell him I am not going to marry Akara.
My king is here.
No, go on. I greet you.
May the gods continue to smile on you.
Welcome to my house, Ikenna. Sit.
Thank you.
It's good you are here. We have been talking about you.
Really? I hope it is well with me.
He sent me here to come and fetch Ugoma. But she says she will not return to the house.
I'd rather die than to return to that house and be forced to marry that Efulefu son of Dike.
Ugoma, if you stand firm and do not move by what your father is doing, I promise you one thing. You will win this battle.
No, Goma. Before I say anything, please. Here, Ubimi, take. I brought this from my mother for you. She wrapped it with love. Please, use it to prepare good meal for all of you.
Ikenna, thank you for the meat.
You're welcome. So, Nogoma, I want to thank you. Thank you for all the encouragement you have given to Ugoma and myself. I promise you that we will stick together until we achieve victory. And I also want to promise you that Ugoma will return home to you.
Thank you, my son. Ugom. Ugom is back. Oh, my daughter. You're welcome. Ladies of the food, you're welcome.
Chiobaka, we greet you.
Welcome, great maidens of Ekuru. My daughter, there's no need to run. A child is not punished the day she spills the oil, but the day she spills, the oil waste. I don't have that time now. When I come back from seeing a friend, we sit down and talk.
It is okay, my daughter. Do not be afraid of your father's threat. I'm here for you.
Thank you, Nne. Thank you, Mother. What could I have done without you? Thank you.
All thanks to the gods. You're welcome.
Nne, Ugoma, we have to go now. We have led you home and we are sure that Nne will be here to shield you from your father's wrath.
Thank you. Send me what's your people.
One.
I'm going to take mine to my lord, so he can use it and roast bushmeats.
Maiden that has found love.
You have not found love? Or is Eze not doing you well?
Of course he is. And I love him from my heart. Adana here is not lagging either because Ibe is also taking good care of her.
Oh yes. Yes, he's doing all he can and I'm happy.
Let us go. Yes.
My husband.
This is no question of my husband. Where is your daughter? Have I not told her to stop walking about the clan until Dika and his people finish what they are doing? Have I not?
Ugoma is a grown-up.
Eh?
Am I supposed to tie her at my back like a child?
Listen, if anything, if any day, but let me tell you, if what is it? What is it?
Ugoma has been abducted.
Hey!
By the raiders.
Where?
On our way from Petty Firewood.
Please come and show me. Come and show me.
Come
and show me.
DK, you have just washed your hands and then cracked the kernel for the chicken. It's here, DK. It's here, DK. Hey! What time are you going to see?
What's it back?
Eh? My day has turned into night.
What is the matter with you?
Hey! The maiden you're supposed to take as a wife has been abducted by raiders.
Huh? Our forefathers forbid. Where?
Hey! As she was coming back from the farm to collect firewood, she was attacked and abducted by raiders.
What?
Hey!
Ichobaka, has anybody gone after those abductors to save your daughter?
My lord, that's why I have come to inform you this. Please.
Akara, get some of these farm hands and go after those raiders.
Thank you.
Huh? No, I'm not going anywhere. Go home.
People will rescue your daughter for you.
Eh? Akara, did you hear what I said?
That I should mobilize farm hands to go after the raiders. I'm sorry, Father, I cannot do it. I'm not going anywhere.
Ike, please help me. My only daughter, Fumbulanya is your. Hey! What do I do now? Hey!
Go home and wait.
I look for people who
Go home and
my
wait.
daughter. Hey! People will rescue your daughter for you. Huh? They will rescue her for you.
You mean dig at the farm area?
Yes.
Mother, I must go after them. I will allow my friends to come with me.
My son, may the gods be with you.
Ise.
My daughters, how did you say it happened?
As we were coming back from gathering of firewood at the Igede farm area,
I am going to take mine to my lord, so he can use it and roast bushmeats.
Maiden that has found love.
You have not found love? Or is Eze not doing you well?
Of course he is. And I love him from my heart. Adana here is not lagging either because Ibe is also taking good care of her.
Oh, yes. Yes, he's doing all he can, and I'm happy.
Let us go to his back.
So we escaped and ran to Ubaka's house, whose wife ran out of the house shouting.
Yes, and we ran here to come and tell Iken. Our ancestors, please do not allow anything to happen to Ugoma and my son Ikenna.
He say
nothing will happen to them.
Stop crying and move.
Ugoma!
They are coming after us.
Run for your life!
Ikenna, stay with her. Which way did they go? This way. Let's go, let's go.
You're safe now. You're safe. No one will be able to take you away from me as long as I'm still alive. You're safe.
We lost them.
We lost them.
We lost them.
As long as we have Ugoma, let's lead her home to her father. Let's go.
Ikenna, must you go hunting today? Why not just rest and hunt tomorrow? You are in a very bad mood.
Mother, do not worry about my mood. I am not just happy with Obaka. That man is so ungrateful and unappreciative. He needed to see how he treated my friends and I when we rescued and returned Ugoma to him. He chased my friend and I out of his compound, claiming that I kidnapped his daughter.
Ikenna, all these things are happening to you because of love. Do not allow people come between you and the love of your life.
If not for Ugoma, mother, what I would have done to Obaka would have kept the people wondering for a long time.
Love endures everything and swallow all insults.
Thank you, Mother. Thank you for always lifting my spirit with your motherly encouraging words. They are always soothing to my soul.
Ikenaya, you are my son. May the gods protect you as you go hunting.
He say,
go well, my son.
Thank you, Mother. Let me run along now. My friends will be waiting for me. I'll see you when I return.
I'll see you too.
As I said earlier on, before you were returned by your abductor, the son of Ezekiel,
Father!
What is your problem, Ugomma? Allow me to finish what I'm saying. I will just pretend I did not hear you interrupt me. A child is not usually punished the day she pours out the palm oil, but the day she pours out the waste product of the palm oil. Listen, DK and his son will be coming here once again to indicate their interest in you. I will not like what happened before to repeat itself. Did you hear me well?
Father, I have heard you. I am sorry for bringing shame to you the last time DK and his son came.
You're sorry?
Please forgive me, Father.
You're sorry? That's my daughter.
Obaka.
Yes.
So it's all about money. Not even about the happiness of the couples.
How dare you getting me wrong? There won't be any happiness in a family without money. Think about that.
Yes, money is good. But life is not all about money. Happiness is paramount.
How do you think about that? Wealth is happiness.
Give it to him.
Oh. Come on, hit him.
He's done with. No need to shed blood. Let's go. Let's leave there immediately.
Ikenna. My forefathers. Usually hot. Ekere, Eze. Come here. Let's take him home. Let's see how we can revive him. Let's take him. Let's take him. Let's go. Let's go.
Ikenaya. Ikenna. Take your medicine so that you can rest for a proper healing. Take. Take it now. Just try. Try again. Take it more. Take some more. Sorry. Take some more. Take some more. Ndo, sorry. Sorry.
Thank you, Mother. Thank the gods I am still alive and breathing.
The gods of our forefathers will never allow me, a widow, to suffer great misfortune of losing my son to the hands of death. No.
I am worried, Mother. Ugoma has not come to check on me. I hope she's well.
Ikenna Ugoma is well. She is well. She may be under restriction by her father not to come out.
Mother, I am tempted to give up on all of this. Look at what I am going through, Mother. Look at all that I am going through for loving Ugoma.
Ikenna, no man values what he does not suffer or labor to get.
You're right, Mother. My love for Ugoma grows from strength to strength by every trial I go through for her. I just pray and hope that she does not give up on us.
She will not. A heart is as strong as rock in the middle of an angry river. It withstands all battering and still stands.
Ugoma, my daughter, I know you'll be happy today.
Father, do I have any choice?
All is well that ends well.
My husband, you're almost done.
Yes, yes, and I appreciate.
Ikem.
My sunshine.
Greetings, Nne.
You're welcome.
I was just telling my mother about you before you arrived.
And what are you gossiping about me? Nne.
Oh, my love, I was telling her that you have not come to see me. I hope you are well.
And I was trying to make him understand that you may be under restrictions by your father.
Exactly, Nne. I was under restrictions by my father. I was able to sneak out by the help of my mother. He went to the farm and he left my mother behind to monitor me. She gave me these herbs to give to you.
Thank you, Mother, for me. May the gods of our land continue to protect your mother for me.
Ikem, do you know my father is still forcing me to marry that Efulefu son of Dike?
Evil men will never give up on their plans.
He said Dike and his people will be coming tomorrow to declare their interest in taking me as their wife. He even told my mother and I to be ready.
Here.
Serious.
So, what is Ikenna going to do now?
Exactly. What do you want him to do? He has lost Ugoma and it pains.
But why would Ugoma do this to Ikenna? She should have waited a little longer.
Ooh. She is like a caterpillar insect that hold on to the tree when it was forming, but let go the tree to fall for the birds. Nanubia.
Ugoma will never be happy with Akara. She will never be happy.
Obim, we may not blame Ugoma too much. We do not know the kind of pressure she's going through.
Whatever that made Ugoma to do this to Ikenna must be very serious.
I pray that Ikenna does not break down in his head.
God forbid that Ikenna will experience such.
Yes, may the gods disgrace Dike and his son because of this thing they planned against our own friend.
Ise!
Ikenna, my friend, this is not the end of life. You have tried your best. And if you ask me, Ugoma has also tried her own best by holding up till now.
So now what do I get in all of this? I have just washed my hands clean and shelled my palm kernels for the straying birds.
Ikenna, do not kill yourself, because the gods have different plans for both of you. If man tries and fails, nobody should blame him, Because he truly tried, but failed.
Ha! This is so painful. So painful and quite unfortunate. This world is wicked. So wicked. Ike, be a man. Huh?
Just look at me. Just look at me. All my efforts at love have just been shattered by that Efulefu son of Dike.
It's okay. Kenna, it's okay.
I need to see Ikenna immediately. I need to see Ikenna.
Ikenna, my friend. Wait too. What if this maiden was taken by those raiders and was never rescued? Would you still be here murmuring about her disappearance?
Then I would have known that I could not rescue her. I failed. But now, it is more painful to know that it is a man from Ekuru that have succeeded in taking her away from me because he possesses more wealth than I do.
That is what makes it more painful for me.
Ikenna, I advise you to search for a fresh relationship in this Ekuru.
Never! Never! Not as long as I live and know that Ugoma lives in this same Ekuru.
Don't smell like a fool. I greet you. Ikenna.
And what have you come here to do? Have you come to complete your mockery?
Ikenna, please. I want us to talk. I have some things to tell you.
Talk to me about what?
About us. Ikenna, we need to talk, please.
Leave. Go back to your suitor and let me wallow in my pain and anguish. Leave now!
Ikenna, please. Please let me just speak with you. Okay, just give me one more chance to talk to you. I promise you I will not disturb you again, please.
Ikenna, go and hear what she has come to say. See, our people say a word cannot be bad from the mouth before it proceeds. Go and hear what she has to say.
Kenna, my friend, Ibe is right. I think you need to go and hear what she has come to say, my friend.
What has she come to say to Sue depends.
We all will hear what she has come to say if they finish talking. Ikenna, what did she say?
Nothing. Nothing new. She came to tell me that Akara and his people are coming for traditional rite.
What?
She only came to see me and bid me farewell for the last time.
Ikenna, and you allow that? If I were you, I would have adopted that maiden and go very far place, far away, where nobody can see us.
No. Now listen, all of you. We shall go for the marriage to witness this great betrayal.
Good. You made a nice point. Yes. And to even cause more trouble.
Alright, I permit you all to go for the marriage ceremony and give me reports. I cannot go to such a ceremony. Let me remain and wallow in my anguish and pains. You can go there and cause trouble as you suggested.
So, we all shall go witness the marriage of Ugoma and Akara.
My people, we have eaten and we've taken our drinks. My wife, go and call her daughter since I don't want to delay this occasion. Mmiri doledo. Ono no go. Akara. You know good things. Beauty herself up now. Mamma namma. Omoma. Omoma waru. No!
Greetings, Alicia.
Oh,
greetings.
I hope this is the person you're looking
for. Yeah, welcome.
Ugoma, do you know these people?
Yes, Father.
Ikenaya, what are you thinking?
Mother,
Why are you seated here looking ahead?
today is not a good day for me, Mother.
I know. But are we going to kill ourselves? Because of the cow milk that has already spilled? You must be a man and let this pass you by.
It is not easy at all for me, Mother. As I sit here, I remembered all the promises, all the good promises we made together. And today, those promises have been thwarted by my enemies.
By the way, where are your friends? Are they not supposed to be here with you? With this pain?
No, Mother, I permitted them to go and witness the marriage and give me reports. Since I cannot attend, I allowed them to go and see how things turn out.
I see. Anyway, I want to go to the farm to harvest some vegetables. Don't allow this to bother you. You must be a man. Life must go ahead.
Thank you, Mother. I am strong now.
Ikenna, I know you are strong. I'll be back.
Since you know them, I won't like to delay them any further. Well, I can have. Take this string to the man you want to get married to. Once he drinks it, everything is okay.
Thank you, Father.
Oh, okay, Bem.
Mwazulu okay.
Omalicha.
Mwazulu okay.
Nwunye akara nwa m. Hey!
Akara!
Igirigi ọgụ.
Ifukosi gafere ya kontinye godi ngala. Who is that? Who is that? Is that Dr. Kenna?
What is this?
This cannot happen.
What is this? What have you just done?
Father, I have just presented my husband to you all.
Hey! I cannot accept this. I cannot accept this. Akara. Ishedika, I will explain. Come. My people, I have no option than to bless this marriage. My people, I have no option than to bless this marriage.